There we go. It took me 3 tries to get him. Second cast of the day. Got a little bass. Look at there, laying right over against that moss. Nothing big, but hey, it's a start. There we go. Oh, have I got him? Yeah, there he is. Oh, jumper. Hey, looks like the other one's brother. Just about the same size. I want to get back a little closer. Dang, wind's blowing me today. We'll go over and drop the anchor, see if we can just stay in one spot for a minute. There he goes. They're laying right up against that moss that's out from there. Oh, look at him jump. There we go. That one's a little bigger than the last 2, but it's all right. Take him. You can see that moss up there. They're laying right up against it. Throwing a spinner bait right up against it, and they hit it right up there by it. Go. That little small put on a like kind of a pumpkin seed lizard, throwing it right up there against that grass and letting it drop to the bottom, pulling it real slow through there, and he nailed it. Let's go see if we can get another one. There he is. Well, they definitely like the worm, or the lizard I should say, but they sure are little. Heck, that in there ain't even hardly big enough to weigh. Maybe I'll get a big one here in a minute. Shoot, that one hit it as it was falling. I never even moved it. It's falling, he hit it. Well, they definitely like that color anyway. I picked the right color. small though. Maybe get a big one. I wanted to nail it right when I hit the water. Didn't get him though. There we go. Went back to the spinner bait. I kind of quit biting on that lizard, so I went back to the spinner bait. About 3 casts, I caught one. Well guys, if you can see behind me, or actually in front of me, the way I'm holding this camera, it looks like we got a storm brewing. Really don't know how bad it's going to be, but I think I'll go ahead and get off the water. So I hope you enjoyed this little pond fishing video. If you did, hey, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, catch you later.